Christina Vega from Fundación CARTIF, Coordination of CAPRI project. CAPRI is funded Horizon 2020 European project. We are 12 partners from 7 different countries: Engineering, FCPE, Politecnico di Milano, BFI, EIFAS, CIDENOR, MSI, AIMEN, CORE, Initiatives from Serbia, AMS, and Fundación CARTIF as coordinator. We want to develop, test, and experiment an innovative automation platform for the digital transformation of process industry. This platform will have tools with cognition that can contribute to the existing process industries to improve the flexibility of operation, improvement of performance and quality of its products. The tools will be 19 cognitive solutions distributed through cases of asphalt, pharma industry and steel production. We want to help to different problems and challenges. The cognitive automation platform and the cognitive tools can be replicated in areas of production such as planning, control and operation of many processes in industry sectors. This new kind of solutions developed in CAPRI can be adapted to unexpected events with the help of cognition. Another difference with other existing solutions is that the cognitive automation platform that integrates all the solutions is based on an open source architecture. The cognitive solution developed must be used in harsh environments, like in asphalt use case, and can obtain parameters that before CAPRI could only be obtained in laboratory conditions. In the steel use case, for example, we can measure new parameters such as solidification using new models, and in the case of pharma use case, there is a new model to predict the dissolution parameter of the mixture. That before CAPRI project need a lot of time in the laboratory to obtain this parameter.